Okay guys, we'll try to change this battery in this key fob. This is a 2019 Lexus RX350. Well, first you got to wrestle it out of the leather case if that's what you have. So I slid that little stretchy thing over here, stretched it over there, be able to get this out. I'm hoping it's one of these batteries because it usually is. And then typically I think we have to remove this key, which this is a live. Like I haven't practiced before I did the video, which I probably should have, but let's see here. Yeah, I think we have to push this button, teeter-totter that button. See that little button there? Are you getting focus on this video? There you go. Once you teeter this little button, the key comes out. The reason I took the key out is down in here, down in the hole. Hopefully this thing's focused. You can stick the key tip and you can use it as a prying device and twist it. Usually, let's see here. Let's see if that works. Okay, I had it, I don't know if you saw that, but I had it sideways like this, stuck it in the channel and I torqued it, popped it open. So now we got the guts, as you can see. Let's see, it should be on this, there it is. And I do need a magnifying glass, but that is the correct battery. It's pretty common, these 2032s that I got here. These 2032s. So mine, you know, the dash started reading low battery, so you just want to get this out of here, this old one. There we go, the old one's out. Set that aside, you got to get the new one out of the package. That's usually the toughest part, getting the new one out of the package. Now, I taped this one on here. Of course, I don't remember if it was a good one. Yeah, I think I must have thought it was a battery that was going to fix something else and it wasn't. So you can see you can kind of cantilever it down in there like that, just pop it in and you're good to go. If the other stuff falls apart, don't worry about that. You can see though in the case there's a shape where the battery goes. So remember we had it in this way, and so the buttons are accessible for when you're putting this cover back on. And then we're just going to sandwich it back together. I'm going to start with the lower section first. But there we go. And that's it. You just snap her back together and then you can shove your key back in there. How'd that go? I forgot. Oh yeah, it goes like this. Now remember, it's that cantilever switch right there. Just poke it in here and it pops up there and you can slide the key out. Use the key to crack her open as a torque thing. And pop your 20, it's a 2032 battery, the Duracell. I got these. I'll put a link down below to these batteries for you. Make it easy. I usually shop the reasonable ones and we'll go from there. Slide her back in your case and you're good to go. I hope that helps. I appreciate your likes and subscribes. Again, the link to the batteries will be down below. Take care.